Welcome to Romeo Maths and Science class. Today, we want to look at how we can answer WASSCE May June 2024 question 9. Let us look at the diagram here. We have been told that AC is an arc of a circle with center P, all right? And anytime you have a circle where you have a center and you have an arc, any line from the center to meet the arc or to meet any part of the circumference becomes a radius. Therefore, we can say that PC is the radius of the circle, and also PA becomes the radius of the circle. Now, we also have been told that PBC is a tangent which meets the circle at C. Now, anytime we have a tangent and we have a radius, where the tangent and the radius meet, an angle of 90 degrees is formed, which makes triangle PCB to be a right angle triangle. We have been asked to find line AB. So first of all, let us solve for B. Let us solve for PB, all right? Then we can subtract PA from it, and that will give us AB. So we say that we take it from triangle, that is PCB, all right? So we draw it nicely. We draw it nicely as we can see here. So we have C here, P here, B here, all right? And this is 8√3 centimeters. Our angle here is 60 degrees. So we first of all want to find PB. And PB is hypotenuse to this angle, and PC, which is given, is adjacent to this angle. So we are going to use our cos ratio, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we write cos 60 degrees is equal to our adjacent, which will be 8√3, all over our hypotenuse, which will be PB, all right? We make PB the subject. Therefore, we can say that PB is equal to 8√3 all over cos 60 degrees. Therefore, our PB will be equal to 16√3 centimeters, or in decimal place, we can say 21.71 centimeters. Now that we know PB, we can now find our AB, all right? So we can say that AB is equal to our PB minus our PA. So we can have this as 16√3 minus 8√3. So our AB is going to be 8√3 centimeters. So this is how we can get our AB. We can also leave it in decimal place, which is correct. All right. Now, let us see how we can find the area of the shaded portion, which is the B part. So first of all, let us find the area of the sector, all right? So we calculate the area of sector PCA, which is giving us the angle, which will be 60 degrees, all over 360 times pi r squared, all right? So with this, we have our 60 over 360, 22 over 7, and our radius, which is 8√3 all squared. So we are going to fix this into our calculator, and when we fix it, we are going to have, that is 100.571 centimeter squared. So this is how we can calculate the area of the sector. Now let us find the area of the whole triangle. All right. So area of triangle PCB is given as half multiplying the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. But from B to C, which is the height, we don't know. So we look for BC, all right? And BC is opposite to this angle, and we have PC, which is adjacent. So we can find our height before we find the area. So we state that from triangle PCB, all right? So opposite to this angle, adjacent to this angle, we can use our tan ratio. So tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite, which is BC all over adjacent 8√3. So we do cross multiplication. So our BC is going to be 8√3 times tan 60 degrees. So we can conclude by saying that our BC will be 24 centimeters. All right. Therefore, area of triangle PCB will be equal to half the base 8√3 times the height 24, and that will give us 166 point, let's say, to 2 or 3 decimal place 277 centimeter squared. Therefore, we can say that area of the shaded portion will be equal to the area of the whole triangle, which will be 166.277 minus area of the sector, which will be 100.571. And we are going to find difference between them. And when we find the difference, we'll get 65 point, let's say to 3 decimal place 706 centimeter square. And to 3 significant figures, we'll have 65.7 centimeter square. So this is how we can calculate the area of the shaded portion and length AB. Keep on practicing mathematics and everything will be all right. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share,